Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making those oh-so-difficult purchasing decisions a whole lot easier. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than a summer barbecue. On the left, we have the TENSSENX GPS drone, and on the right, the Gleesfun G11MINI drone. Let's see which one will take your aerial adventures to the next level. First up, let's talk price. The TENSSENX is coming in at a wallet-friendly $169. That's cheaper than a weekend getaway, or a dozen avocado toasts if you're into that sort of thing. Meanwhile, the Gleesfun G11MINI is a bit more of a high roller at $299. For that price, it better come with a personal butler and a foot massage, am I right? Next, let's dive into the cameras. The TENSSENX sports a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens and 90 degrees adjustability. Perfect for capturing those epic sunsets or your neighbor's awkward backyard dance moves. Gleesfun, on the other hand, boasts an upgraded 4K UHD camera that shoots at 2.7K 50 FPS or 4K 25 FPS. It's like having a professional photographer in your back pocket, minus the weird looks. Now, let's talk flight time. TENSSENX gives you 46 minutes of airtime with its 2 modular batteries. That's enough time to fly to your ex's house, hover over their new relationship, and fly back. Gleesfun, however, one-ups it with a whopping 60 minutes of flight time. With that much battery life, you could practically fly to the moon and back. Almost. Both drones are smarter than your average toaster, but let's break it down. TENSSENX has GPS auto-return home, follow me, waypoint fly, point of interest, and even voice and gesture control. It's like having your own flying R2-D2. Gleesfun, not to be outdone, also has GPS auto-return, follow mode, circle mode, and waypoint mode. Plus, it's got a camera shield for extra durability, because, let's face it, we all crash into trees sometimes. Design and portability? TENSSENX has a sleek, foldable design and comes with a durable carrying case. It's under 250 grams, so no FAA registration needed. Perfect for those spontaneous trips where you accidentally leave your responsibilities behind. Gleesfun also weighs less than 250 grams and has a stylish dark green shell with a Type-C interface. It looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Just imagine whipping this out at a party. Instant cool points. Summarizing the reviews, the TENSSENX GPS drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and solid camera quality, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. However, some users experienced issues with wind stability and battery life. On the other hand, the Gleesfun G11MINI drone is lauded for its advanced features, reliable performance, and durability, although it also faces some connectivity issues in certain conditions. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for a budget-friendly drone with solid features, the TENSSENX GPS drone is your go-to. But if you're willing to splurge a bit for extended flight time and some extra durability, the Gleesfun G11MINI drone is calling your name. Either way, you're getting a top-notch flying machine that'll make your Instagram feed the envy of all your friends. Until next time, smart buyers, keep your heads in the clouds and your feet on the ground. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly smart, buy smart.